The Fire of Revolution, the story behind Botong Francisco's Katipunan mural. In the heart of the Philippines' struggle for freedom, one masterpiece captures the courage, sacrifice, and unity of a people rising against oppression. This is not just a painting. It is a revolution frozen in time. Today, we dive deep into a powerful mural inspired by the birth of the Philippine Revolution, created by a master of Filipino art. Stay with us as we uncover the symbols, the stories, and the emotions hidden in every brushstroke. Our story begins in a dimly lit room. Papers, candles, and determined faces fill the space. Men and women gather in secrecy, bound by a single mission: to free their nation from foreign rule. In the center, a figure leans over a table. His hand trembles slightly, not from fear, but from conviction. He signs a document written in his own blood. This act symbolizes complete devotion, an oath that cannot be broken. Behind him, a red banner proudly displays 3 bold letters: KKK, the emblem of the Revolutionary Brotherhood that would change the course of Philippine history. Around the leader, others rise and pledge themselves to the cause. Some raise their right hands, others clench their fists. Their faces are serious, some young, some older, but all burning with hope. A wooden desk becomes a silent witness to the birth of a revolution. Every signature, every oath, is a promise to fight for a better tomorrow, even at the cost of their lives. And then, the moment that ignited the flames of war. A group of revolutionaries gather outdoors. With fierce determination, they tear their cedulas, symbols of colonial control. The sound of ripping paper marks their break from oppression. One figure lifts a bolo high into the air. Another shouts in defiance. The crowd swells with energy. This act of rebellion becomes the spark that launches the first cry of freedom. The mural reminds us that the revolution was not led by soldiers alone. Farmers, laborers, craftsmen, ordinary people each took up arms, believing that freedom belonged to all. Look closely. A farmer grips a spear. A young man stands barefoot, ready for battle. Another holds a torch, lighting the path forward. The revolution was a united struggle. Rich and poor, educated and uneducated, men and women, marching toward a shared dream. The artist uses bold colors, reds, yellows, and blues, to express emotion. Red for sacrifice, yellow for hope, blue for the spirit of unity. Each stroke reflects motion, bodies leaning forward, arms raised, heads bowed in solemn promise. The mural is alive, almost breathing, telling the story long after the revolutionaries are gone. This artwork is more than historical documentation. It is a reminder. It shows us that freedom is never given freely. It is earned through courage, unity, and an unshakable belief in justice. Every figure in this mural, whether signing an oath or raising a weapon, represents the spirit of a people who refuse to be silenced. As we look at this masterpiece today, we are reminded of the sacrifices that shaped our nation. The revolutionaries may no longer walk among us, but their dreams live on in every Filipino who values liberty, dignity, and hope. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more history brought to life. This is the fire of the revolution, preserved in paint, remembered in our hearts.